Welcome to the future of content delivery with NPAW CDN Balancer Solutions. In today's fast-paced digital world, delivering high-quality content efficiently and cost-effectively is not just an option, it's a necessity. Trusted by industry leaders broadcasting major events like Formula One, MotoGP and NFL, our CDN Balancer solutions ensure your viewers receive the best possible quality, no matter where they are in the world. Discover the power of NPAW CDN Balancer Solutions. We transform your content delivery with speed, reliability, and unparalleled efficiency. Our two core solutions, On-Start CDN Balancer and Mid-Stream CDN Balancer, offer unique advantages to optimize your content delivery network. The On-Start CDN Balancer is designed to make the crucial initial connection. It intelligently assesses multiple factors, such as real-time CDN performance, geographic considerations, and user-specific conditions, to select the most appropriate CDN right from the start of the streaming session. This ensures the content begins with the best possible delivery path, minimizing startup delays, buffering, and enhancing the overall viewer experience from the moment they press play. Meanwhile, the Mid-Stream CDN Balancer is a true revolution in content delivery. It offers unparalleled flexibility and adaptability during the streaming session itself. By continually monitoring performance metrics, it stands ready to dynamically switch CDNs, tackling any glitches such as sudden traffic surges or server downtimes. This cutting-edge technology ensures that your content remains smooth and uninterrupted, delivering a flawless, high-quality viewing experience throughout the entire session. With the Mid-Stream CDN Balancer, you can redefine excellence in streaming, captivating your audience with seamless and reliable content delivery. By leveraging our CDN Balancer solutions, broadcasters can enhance viewer satisfaction with consistent, high-quality streams. And there's more. Enhance your cost efficiency with our P2P feature. This innovative technology allows a portion of your streaming traffic to be shared among viewers, reducing the load on traditional CDN servers. This approach not only lowers delivery expenses, but also accelerates content delivery, ensuring a faster and smoother streaming experience for your audience. With NPAW CDN Balancer Solutions, join a league of top streaming platforms, delivering exceptional quality viewing experiences while also maximizing efficiency and minimizing costs. Empower your streaming strategy today. Contact us for more information on how to leverage NPAW CDN Balancer Solutions. Thank you for choosing excellence with NPAW CDN Balancer. NPAW, the business intelligence company.